Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Ascent. The Subaru Ascent is a breath of fresh air to families in need of more room. The reliability, safety, and practicality that Subaru has always been known for is now brought to you with third-row seating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.